I went ahead and bought the over axle pipes for the 718. Pretty excited. I want to see what this sounds like. Woke up nice and early to get to driver's choice in Longwood, Florida, where I'm gonna have my exhaust linking pipes installed. We went ahead and pulled out the stock OEM pipes with the OPF filters, and we're replacing them with these titanium pipes from JCR. 12.8. Oh wow, 4.2. Yeah.
I mean, I agree, they stick out a little bit more. The hood, I mean, if you want a carbon hood, it would look cool. You really don't want weight off the front of the car anyway. Trying to drop weight off the back. A, to allow it to squat for grip, but also to try and shift weight to the front of the car.
So here we have a cold start with the new linking pipes.